Got a new receiver here from a friend of mine, a Pioneer SX2300. I did a little tweaking on the AM section, but I did get it working. I'm trying to get this to record some of the thunderstorm static here for you. Try to select something here where just record this for a few moments. Just had some good thunderstorms pass through the area, and what you're picking up is those same storms as they've moved away. I say my friend gave me this receiver and has a pair of nice little infinity speakers that went with it. See, I got crap on my dresser as well. You can hear it's got a little bit of the heterodyne whistle in it right now. When I got this receiver, it was pretty insensitive on AM. It just basically needed to have the internal stages tweaked a little bit. Basically the first stage of the radio, because it's basically an antenna trimmer. Let's see if we can see it through the vent. I don't know if I can get close enough to, actually there's too many shadows, but I'm going to point to it if I can. Okay, get my finger in the picture. Right there where my fingertip is shadowing, it's kind of hard to see it, but trying to zoom in on or get a close-up. You can see a trimming capacitor, the pink thing right there. I'm going to move my finger out of the way. And then right next to it is a tuning coil. And those were the two devices I tweaked. Unfortunately, I busted the core in the tuning inductor there, the black piece. But I was able to get the piece of the core back in at pretty close to the peak level. It's a little bit off, but I got it pretty close. So even though you hear nothing on 1660 right now other than the thunderstorm static, turn that up a little bit, and just the random room static of the room, during the nighttime hours I can get my favorite station. The rock station from Merced does come in on this receiver at night. After midnight, it comes in pretty much by itself. Prior to midnight or 1 a.m., it comes in mixed with a sports talk radio station, the ESPN sports talk radio station on 1660. I'm not sure where the sports talk station is. I think it's in Denver, Colorado, but the rock station I like is in Merced. It's the K-Bear, or the Bear, not K-Bear. K-Bear is a local station here in Idaho. So cool little receiver. I'll eventually do a full night tuning video on this once I get things set up a little better. Like I say, as you can tell, I'm hand holding the phone right now. I'm going to be getting a mount, probably one of those Manfrotto magic mounts, and that way I can do a steady picture and also be able to show things or tune the radio or whatever. So anyway, just wanted to give you this little tidbit right now. We do have thunderstorms in the area. I'm going to actually go ahead and pause and take you outside here for a second. Okay, back inside now. That shot I showed you from out the front door there. That's a storm front that passed us by. It was pretty much a squall line, pretty intense. So, and my stupid neighbors are outside yapping away, so I didn't want to record my narration while they were there. I just wanted to get a shot of the storm clouds for y'all. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this little static video, and like I say, we'll have a full night band scan of this receiver soon, and some more good stuff coming down the line.